My dear citizens, it fills my heart with great pride to greet you on this 79th Independence Day for the 8th consecutive time as your Chief Minister. Today, we pay tribute to the visionaries of our nation who gave us a free India: Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. We also pay homage to the patriots from Meghalaya's soil: U Tirot Singh, U Kyang Nangba, and Pathogan Sangma. We also honor the members of the defense, paramilitary, and police forces. The law and order situation in the state was peaceful throughout the year. A major milestone was the MOU with Assam to resolve border issues, marked by the completion of the boundary pillars in Hahim. Friends, when I look back at the journey we began in 2018, it fills me with hope, confidence, and pride. Despite the global pandemic and other challenges, we are marching on the road of progress and have taken significant steps to improve the lives of the citizens of our beautiful state. Meghalaya is now the second fastest growing state after Tamil Nadu, with its growth rate doubling from 5% in 2018 to 10% in 2024-25. I am also proud to share that we are the only state which has achieved a consistent growth of about 10% over 3 consecutive years post the pandemic. Our GDP has doubled from 30,000 crores to 60,000 crores, and we aim to reach 1,40,000 crores by 2032. This will create more jobs, placing Meghalaya among India's top 10 states. As we step into the second half of our journey towards Vision 2032, the one message I want every listener to carry with them is to stay optimistic and be patient. Meaningful change takes time, but it is happening. Across the state and in every sector, wonderful things are unfolding. At the heart of this transformation are our farmers, women, and youth who are driving Meghalaya's 10% growth. We are unlocking the potential of local produce, investing in sports and entrepreneurship, and promoting women led enterprises. Health, education, and early childhood development are being prioritized to build human capital. Despite tough terrain, roads are improving to connect villages to markets. Water, power, and IT infrastructure are being strengthened. To create more jobs, we are promoting private sector investments in local industries. We are strengthening governance by bringing it closer to the people through CM Connect. Citizen welfare remains a top priority with direct benefit transfer programs like MG and REGA, Focus Plus, CM Care, and the CM Scholarship Scheme, improving lives across Meghalaya. Friends, as I look ahead to 2032, I envision a Meghalaya where our youth thrive in global workplaces and build enterprises at home. Our farmers produce reaches international markets, and our athletes bring home Olympic medals. I see every village connected, every household empowered, and every child confident about the future. On this Independence Day, let us move forward with confidence, patience, and hope. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. Khublei, Mutela, Jai Hind.